guys, in today's video, I want to show you how to freeze strawberries so you have them ready to go in the freezer for smoothies, for baking, and so much more. First things first, we're going to take the strawberries that I brought from the store and give them a good wash. After they've had a thorough wash, I'm gonna place them on a kitchen towel for about 10 minutes or so. That's all they need to dry out. Now you can freeze strawberries whole, just like this. You can even just take off the green tops. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze them in quarters or smaller pieces because I find that they're easier to use in recipes like smoothies or even pancakes and jams. What these strawberries need is a rough chop. I'm going to trim off the end and then just like this, I'm gonna slice them in half and then quarters. And if they're too big, just in a few other small pieces. And one by one, I'm gonna go through the entire batch. And as you can see, I'm going to place them in a parchment or wax lined baking sheet. You want to do this so your strawberries don't stick to the metal when you freeze them. These strawberries are ready to go in the freezer for about an hour, 4 hours, even overnight. But as you can see, once they are frozen, they are now not stuck to the metal, nor are they stuck to themselves either. At this point, you just take a freezer bag and transfer your frozen berry pieces into the freezer bag, one by one, and at the very end you can just lift the parchment or wax paper, pour them all in. Make sure to get rid of all the air in the bag, give it a good seal, and put it back in the freezer. Wasn't that simple? If you love quick and easy tips like this one, give this video a thumbs up. And if you got berries in your freezer, make sure to watch this next video so you can put them to good use. See you next time.